Hey yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaime and today I'll be showing you how you can turn off that annoying new Instagram update. So, let's get on to it. Yeah! Batman, Joker just... What is this whole new update actually about? Basically on the DM section it shows whether you're active on Instagram, whether you're online. And it also shows people when you were last active on Instagram. So, the answer to your question is yes, people can now tell whether you're ignoring their messages. Now, last week I posted a video on how to stop answering all your DMs, all your messages, or your WhatsApps, and the importance of it if you want to focus, if you're an entrepreneur or a business person and you really want to grow as a person and grow your business. So if you haven't watched that already, what are you doing? Go watch it now. But you also don't want to seem like, a person who doesn't care about his audience, his community. So if you're that type of person who wants to focus but doesn't want to seem like a disrespectful person, or you're just a friend who can't be bothered to answer his friends, stay watching because I'm going to be jumping on my phone and showing you guys how to turn this thing off. Okay guys, so basically what you do is you go on your Instagram profile, then you click on the settings button, and then you just scroll down until you see the show activity status. You can click that, and that's it guys. Okay guys, so that is it. Now, one thing I did forget to mention, when you do this, you also won't be able to see other people's status, which I think is quite fair, if you ask me. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, really means the world to me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah! Batman, Joker just put me on.